Hi, class. I'm sorry that I missed you at 10 o'clock this morning. I had some craziness going on here at home, but I did log in about 10:20, and it's now 10:37. So it doesn't look like anyone's going to log on, and that's okay. I just want to make sure that I touch base with you. Thank you so much to Jordan, Carolyn, Gavin, Thomas, and Hannah. Excellent work getting into the discussion boards. If I haven't said your name, get into those discussion boards and get going on some of this work so we don't get too far behind. And just to show you quickly how to get there, again, this is our homepage. If you click on schedule and CMM1510 course content over here, just quickly, I have cleaned up this page a little to try to make it easy to access stuff. You won't be able to see these folders down in here. What you should see is Unit 2 in Chapter 1510 paper, project and term paper. So if you click in this Unit 2 folder, which is where we are, so that first folder, just give a moment. Everyone in the universe is using bandwidth right now. These are the two chapters that you should be working on. So Chapter 6, we were finishing up this in class, and then moving into Chapter 7. So when we click into, and Carolyn, I finally did update those dates there. So the final due date for both of these chapters is Friday, March 27th. So that's a week from today. But if you click into nonverbal communication here, again, just give it a moment for things to catch up. You'll see the content that is here to help guide you. So that learning guide, really what we're looking to are these Chapter 6 assignments. This is what you want to look for to see what's going to be graded and where you're going to get points. The Chapter 6 discussion board, this is exactly what I was talking about before. So this is where Jordan, Carolyn, Gavin, Thomas, and Hannah have already been and started great dialogues. I really enjoyed reading your responses there. I'm going to click through just so you can see what this looks like when you click this link. Again, you can choose 2 of the options here to respond to, and then respond to 2 classmates. So in total, you want to have 4 posts within each chapter discussion board in order to get full credit for that discussion. Instead of using these breadcrumb links, I'm going to just go backwards so I get to be where I just was. And in here, there is also a Chapter 6 journal. Again, if you did the journal with us in class, you don't need to do this one. And I'll write a note in there actually after I close up shop, so that's clear. I know I've had a couple of people say that, but just so we're clear, if you were in class for that up assignment, you do not need to do this journal. And then finally, the Chapter 6 quiz. So our quizzes will, are the same as those ones that you've taken, not the same content, but the same format as the ones that you've taken previously for practice to prepare for an exam. These ones, you can take them up to 3 times, and the highest grade that you get will be the one that's represented in the grade book. So if you get a grade that you are not happy with, go ahead and redo it, and you can get possibly a higher grade. Also, with that said, please remember that Blackboard itself will mark off when things aren't exactly perfect. So I do go into every quiz or exam and make sure that you're being awarded points for the things that are correct. They just might be misspelled or, you know, misplaced in terms of what Blackboard's looking for. So that's how that looks. So I just wanted to connect with you. Again, let you know that I'm here, and if you need me, you can reach out to me via email. We'll be online on Monday for a few minutes at the start of class again, and I will shoot, I promise, to be there at 10 a.m. There's just a lot going on, as I'm sure is in your houses as well. Thank you so much for jumping in, and again, reach out to me if you guys have any questions. If not, please take a minute this weekend to take a break and a breather, and, you know, make sure that you're also getting out and getting some exercise. Okay, friends, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, team.